Hi and welcome to the Malat cookery channel. So in this video I'm doing Chinese Char Siu pork or barbecued pork to me and you. So the family meal for this evening is chicken with barbecued pork and mushroom, but I obviously have to make the barbecued pork, so that's what this video is all about. I will be producing the chicken with barbecue pork and mushroom video, so watch out for that. This is quite a simple dish, very few ingredients, so this video isn't going to take very long at all. As usual, a full list of ingredients will be given at the end of the video. Let's have a look at those ingredients now and anything else we're going to need for today. So for this dish we've got a piece of pork fillet. We're going to be using some honey, hoisin sauce, tomato ketchup. Also going to be using a little bit of red food colouring, and this is optional. Right, so this recipe couldn't be any easier. So all we have is basically equal parts of each of these. Let me just explain what I've done here. So I saw this in a Chinese restaurant kitchen and thought it was a great idea for marinating meat. So they basically get a bowl, get a sandwich bag, put the sandwich bag in the bowl, put in the ingredients. So I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of each, roughly. That's 1. 2 tablespoons of our hoisin sauce. And 2 tablespoons of our fake honey. Just wonder how much corn syrup is actually in this honey. Right, we mix all that in thoroughly. Just a tiny amount of our red food colouring as well. Mix all that in. Then we take our pork, place that into the bag. Make sure that pork is well coated, and then this is going in the fridge for about an hour and a half. Much better if you can do this overnight, if you're better at pre-planning than I am. Right, so once this is sat in the fridge, we'll get it out and I'll show you how I'm going to cook it. Right, I've preheated the oven to 180 degrees centigrade. I've got a baking tray with a rack inside. I'm going to place some water in the bottom. So this cooking method, again from a Chinese restaurant, is sort of half baking and half steaming. So I've got a piece of foil which I've folded in half and placed in one side. I'm going to take our pork piece and hopefully not get my hands absolutely covered. Okay, I'm going to place that onto the foil. I'm then going to cover this tray completely with kitchen foil and place this into the middle of the oven. it's going to go into the oven for roughly 45 to 50 minutes. And every 15 minutes, I'm going to take it out, turn the piece of pork over, and use the residue of the sauce or the barbecue sauce to baste the first 2 times. So after 15 minutes, I'm going to turn it over, baste it. After 30 minutes, I'm going to turn it over again and baste it, and then that's it for basting, because what we don't want to do is towards the end of the cooking process put any more of this barbecue sauce on, because of course the raw pork has been sat in here. So if we do the last one at 30 minutes, it's got 15 to 20 minutes then to completely cook through. It's a lot safer. Right, so let's have a look at what we've got. So there you go, Char Siu pork. So this way, it is definitely, for me personally, a better way of doing it, because the pork stays really soft. Before I've baked the pork and it does get quite hard on the outside. So this is definitely the way I'm going to be doing it in future. So there you go, Char Siu pork, really easy to do. Please subscribe to the channel, and as usual, if you've enjoyed this particular video, hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching.